Welcome, everybody. My name is Kudzai Manditereza, and we're here at the Things Conference 2023 in Amsterdam. And right now, I'm joined by Telemaco Melia from EchoStar. Telemaco, welcome.
Nice to meet you. Hello, everybody.
Awesome. Yeah, sure. Maybe could we start by an introduction? Could you introduce yourself to our audience and tell us more about EchoStar?
Yep. So EchoStar Mobile is the European branch of the EchoStar Group. EchoStar is a leader in satellite, operating satellites worldwide. And specifically, EchoStar Mobile is operating a satellite in the S-band, providing satellite connectivity for narrowband services across Europe.
Awesome. So, could you share some insights into the company's vision for the future of satellite technology and, more importantly, its role in advancing the LoRaWAN connectivity?
Yeah. So I think people have been reading and understanding a lot about what's happening in the satellite industry recently. Announcements like the iPhone bringing satellite connectivity into devices that we use every day is a game changer. So obviously we are in the mix of experimenting and testing technology in that direction. We started with LoRaWAN 2 years back when we wanted to see if direct to device, whether it's a smartphone or an IoT object, was really the way forward. We needed to look for technology, and LoRaWAN was the first one available. So that's where we started, but we are not stopping here. And obviously, the 3GPP NTN is coming on the line, release 17, 18, and 19. So that's what we are closely following. And for us, is a mix of technologies because each technology has its own specifics and enables different use cases. So for us, it's a matter of what technology we can best use for use cases that customers are looking for.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, clearly, EchoStar is known for providing innovative solutions in satellite services and technology. Can you highlight some recent advancements or projects that the company has been involved in? Like, for example, the generic node concept edition, which for me was kind of like the highlight of this whole event. Could you please share some insights?
Yeah, we've been announcing the work together with the Things Network in the press release earlier on Wednesday. No, Thursday when the conference started. Everybody has been seeing Vink and Johan on stage announcing the new piece of hardware. So I think that beyond the integration of this new device, the message is we are making efforts to bring satellite IoT, to all possible users across the board, and people like the Things Network are enablers for us because they can reach a lot of small but very innovative players. So for us, the goal is to make it simple and make it cheap, so that everybody can get access and benefit of satellite connectivity that per se is a complex technology. Our goal is to hide complexity and cost to people.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, you've already mentioned the announcements from Apple, which really shows that the telecommunication industry is continuing to evolve rapidly. So, how is EchoStar adapting to these emerging technologies and market trends to maintain its position as a leader in satellite communication service?
So for us, the driver is work on standard technology. Um, we believe that standards are the way forward if you really want to benefit from the economy of scale. Satellite has been for too long probably working with proprietary technologies, and therefore prices has been very expensive because of that reason. When we started with LoRa, we wanted to start with a standard. LoRa has been recognized by the ITU as a standard, and that's where we started because the Centec chipset was readily available. Now 3GPP is coming, and we will be working also on that one. So our goal to ensure innovation and compatibility is really pushing on the standards. We are sitting at the board of the LoRa Alliance to drive satellites through standards, and we are also very active in the 3GPP as well,
Yes.
where we've been standardizing bands, so the S band and band 255 and 56 for the use of satellite. So that's our response to the industry on how to make it happen.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your contributions to the industry. Do you perhaps have final words for our audience?
Well, I think I will just follow up on the keynote we did yesterday. Satellite IoT is a myth or reality. I think that the response from the audience was very positive. Yesterday, with 5 people, we couldn't really, we couldn't bear the flow of questions coming to us.
Yeah.
So it means that people were looking and waiting for these solutions to happen. So we'll make sure that we continue down this line, and then we bring again very cost-effective solution in a very simple manner to people. And we'll continue to work on the satellite IoT. Direct to device is our priority, and then what device we will work in time, whether it is a smartphone, an object, or a drone, or something else. We'll see.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming through. It was a pleasure chatting
Thank
with you.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Okay, so that was Telemaco Melia from EchoStar.